Hello everyone, I'm Vikramaditya and welcome to Softech, and in this session we are going to discuss the roles and responsibilities of a data analyst. The responsibility of a data analyst include providing support to all data analysis and coordinate with customers and staff. Now, this is like whatever data is required for the customers and the end users, and who are the decision makers who see the data and then decide. And staff, in the sense like there can be a managers, there can be foremen, and whoever takes a decision for whom data is required to analyze the data. So that's what is actually we need to provide support for that data analysis. So resolve business associated issues for clients and performing audit on data. So we need to resolve any kind of a business associated issues for the client or the customer, and we also need to perform the audit on data, which data is being to validate the data and to check the data and cross check and verify the data. All these things will come in the audit. Analyze results and interpret data using statistical techniques and provide ongoing reports. So we should be analyzing the results and interpret data using statistical techniques and provide ongoing reports. Prioritize business needs and work closely with management and information needs. So we need to prioritize business needs and work closely with the management and information needs. Identify new process areas for improvement opportunities. Identify new process or areas for improvement and opportunities. Analyze, identify and interpret trends or patterns in complex data sets. Acquire data from primary or secondary data sources and maintain databases and data systems. Filter and clean data and review computer reports. Determine performance indicators to locate and correct code problems. Securing database by developing access systems by determining user level of access. Now we'll go slightly in detail about these responsibilities. So what is required to become a data analyst? In fact, like if you like to become a data analyst, what are the things that we need? To become a data analyst, you need to have the robust knowledge and reporting packages like business objects, programming languages like XML, JavaScript, or any ETL framework, databases like SQL, SQLite, etc. Strong skills with the ability to analyze, organize, collect, and disseminate big data with accuracy. Technical knowledge in database design, data models, data mining, and segmentation techniques. Strong knowledge on statistical packages for analyzing large data sets. Various steps in an analytical project. So various steps in the analytical project include problem definition, data exploration, data preparation, modeling, validation of data, and implementation and tracking. So the key skills required for being a data analyst are database knowledge, predictive analytics, big data knowledge, and presentation skills. So these are the key rules for the data scientist. And so in the database knowledge, we need to have a perfect knowledge on any database management, one data blending, querying, any kind of a querying tool that we have, data manipulation tools. Predictive analytics, we have basic descriptive statistics, predictive modeling, and advanced analytics. These are the things that we need to have skills on the predictive analytics. And on the big data, we have big data analytics, unstructured data analysis, and machine learning. These are the topics on which you should be good at. Presentation skills, data visualization, insight presentation, report design, all this stuff. And thanks for watching this video, and do let me know your feedback And if you have not yet subscribed to our channel, do subscribe to our channel at youtube.com/Softech. And if you are looking out for any kind of trainings, you can get back to us at trading@jlsafric.com. And if you are looking out for any kind of jobs, you can contact us at jobs@jlsafric.com. Thank you. Have a great day.